Struggling with Windows 11 split screen not working? I'll guide you on how to force it. Stay tuned for a quick and effective way to enhance your multitasking experience. Press Windows plus I to open the Settings app, go to System, and click on Multitasking. Now switch the toggle button to enable the Snap Windows option, and click on it to see a drop-down menu with all the detailed splitting scenarios. The feature should have been enabled by default once you installed Windows 11 on your computer. Press Windows plus R to open Run, type divamgmt.msc in the text field, and hit Enter. Expand the display adapters entry, right-click on the graphics adapter, and select Update Driver. Now select Search automatically for drivers. A compatible driver might not have been installed if you just upgraded to the latest iteration. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open the Task Manager. Go to the Details tab and locate the Explorer.exe task. Once you have found it, right-click on it and choose End Task. Now go to File and choose Run New Task. Enter Explorer and click OK. Press Windows plus S to open the search bar, type CMD, right-click on the result, and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes in the UAC prompt. Paste the following commands one at a time, and hit Enter after each to run the DISM tool. Similarly, execute the following command to run the SFC Scan. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.